Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be making an easy DIY floor rug. My daughter was redecorating her room and needed a new rug, but we couldn't find anything that she liked. So I decided to upcycle some placemats to create one. So all I needed was 7 placemats, a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, a few minutes, and then voila, a beautiful floor rug. So let's get started. So there you have it guys, an easy DIY floor rug. Check out my other crafting videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.